Hi everyone, this video is about the chapter summary of chapter 9 variations. So please write down turn to a new page of your notebook, write down the date of today, the 7th of February, and the learning targets. Chapter 9 variations summary. Okay, let's get started. So I will do it in this way. So I will use a mind map to brainstorm or to bring back all the knowledge in this chapter. Okay, to make a summary. So this chapter is variations, and basically there are 5 parts. Okay. And the first part and the four of them are the 4 variations that we have already learned, and they are direct variation, inverse variation, joint variation, and partial variation. Okay, and then for direct variation, there must be some keywords that we have learned. Okay, for example, varies directly, directly proportional, and also this symbol. Okay, direct variation. Okay, and this is some keywords or key symbols. And then for the next part, we should have some examples. For example, y equals to kx square, or even y is equals to k times square root of x. Okay, so students may pause the video and you can give some more examples for yourself to finish the mind map. Okay, great. And then next part, for inverse variation. So there are also some keywords. For example, varies inversely, inversely proportional, okay, and also these symbols with 1 over something. Okay, this is also to identify that we are using, or we know that it is a inverse variation. Okay, also we can give some examples. Okay, for example, maybe y is equals to k over the square root of x, or even a is equals to k over the cube of b. Again, student, you can pause the videos and write down some more examples for yourself. Okay, and then next, it will be joint variation. So simply for joint variations, the keywords are simple. That is jointly, or even the words and. Okay, this is the keywords for joint variations. And then you can write down some examples for yourselves. For example, it may involve more than 2 things, then it will set equals to kx squared over y, or even a is equals to k b c squared. Okay, these are example of joint variation. And finally, partial variation. For the keywords, okay, just simply partly and partly. So when you see the word partly, then we know that we are using partial variation. Okay, and then for the example, so there are basically two types. The first type is maybe y is equals to k1 plus k2 times x squared. So we record it as partly constant and partly varies directly as the square of x. And then give you one more example. Maybe z is equals to k1 over the square root of x, partly varies inversely to the square root of x, and then partly varies directly to the square of y. Okay, these are some examples. And finally, what are the fifth parts? Is about the percentage change. Okay, just a one reminder that when we calculate the percentage change, the formula will be nu minus O divided by O times 100%. Okay, and that's the end of our summary. So again, you can do some more questions to consolidate your knowledge. Okay, see you.